In front of me is ONEPLUS Open, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to Access Apps. Then tap on App Cloner, and to clone any app, tap on one of the available ones and use gray sweater next to Create App Clone. Then wait. Following that, you can adjust those two options. You can tap on when using quick functions and tap on one of those. Or select Rename App Clone and name your cloned app however you want to. Then save its name by tapping Save. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings, tap on blue sweater and hit delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!